Good morning, students. We will discuss about the chapter number 12. Chapter number 12 is electricity. We have already discussed about the Ohm's law. Ohm's law is already discussed. Then we will discuss about the next topic. Next one topic is specific resistance. It is the specific resistance or resistivity. Resistivity is the next topic. Resistivity or specific resistance. Specific resistance. Generally it is represented by resistivity. Resistivity पे डिस्कस करते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द resistivity. We know that resistance is represented by R and the unit of resistance is ohm. Unit is ohm and represented by R. Resistance is represented by this symbol. It is the resistance, positive terminal then negative terminal. It is resistance का पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल, नेगेटिव टर्मिनल एंड यूनिट क्या हो गई इसकी? ओम हो गई. तो we will discuss about the resistance or resistivity. First of all discuss the dependency of resistance. Dependency of resistance. Dependency of resistance. Dependency of resistance. First of all dependency of resistance. First one, resistance of any conductor wire depends on length. First one, resistance is directly proportional to length of wire. Length of wire. We can say that the R is directly proportional to L. Then we can write R is directly proportional to L. First equation. Then we can say the length is directly proportional to resistance. R is directly proportional to L. When R is increases, then length is also increases. If the length of wire increases, then R is increases also. First one is clear. Second one, resistance is inversely proportional. 1 upon area. 1 upon area. So R is inversely proportional to 1 upon A. Second thing, area increase होगा, resistance decrease होगा, area decrease होगा, resistance increase होगा. It is directly proportional, it is inversely proportional. Combining both equation, जैसे दोनों equations को combine करेंगे तो आप देखिएगा R is directly proportional to L upon A. We can write then R equal to rho L upon A. Rho is a constant. Rho is constant. It is known as resistivity. It is known as resistivity or specific resistance. R is depend on L. R is depend on 1 upon A. Both equations are combined. R is directly proportional to L upon A. R बराबर rho L upon A. Then rho is constant and it is known as resistivity or specific resistance. Done. It is clear. It is specific resistance or resistivity. Done. Next discussion. What is the resistivity? It is clear. R डिपेंड करता है लेंथ पे, R डिपेंड करता है एरिया पे. जब दोनों को कंबाइन करेंगे तो R इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू L अपॉन A. R बराबर रो L अपॉन A. देन रो इज कांस्टेंट. इट इज नॉन एज रेजिस्टिविटी और रेजिस्टेंस. देन द फॉर्मूला ऑफ रेजिस्टिविटी इज R इक्वल टू रो L अपॉन A. It is cross sectional. It is a cross multiply. Then RA equal to rho L. Then rho equal to RA upon L. It is the formula of resistivity. It is the formula of resistivity rho equal to R A upon L, same as unit of resistivity. R is ohm, unit of R is ohm, unit of area मीटर स्क्वायर एंड यूनिट ऑफ लेंथ मीटर. मीटर से मीटर कट हो गया और इसकी यूनिट क्या हो जाएगी, ओम इंटू मीटर. इट इज द यूनिट ऑफ रजिस्टिविटी. इट इज द रजिस्टिविटी और स्पेसिफिक रजिस्टेंस. डन, क्लियर.